Yeah, you guys are on video, you big dorks. Get him, mamas. What are you doing, Ajax? Where you going, mamas? You guys scrapping? Scrappy dappy doos? Scrappy dappy doos, that's what you want right here. Get it, Ajax. Good boy. Straight into the doghouse. Nope. What are you doing, huh? Ooh, he knows what's up. Get him, sister. There they go again. Iris wants a piece of brother. She wants a piece of brother's ass. There we go again. Oh, she's mounted him. What are you doing, crazy? Huh? What are you doing, crazy, Iris? Should have named you Lilith. Huh? Huh, crazy? What? What? You eating my hands? You'd rather get brother. I know. You're always... What are you doing, Ajax? Good boy. Good boy. She's gonna start it. I can see her circling in on him. You want some of that? Huh? You want some of that? There goes sister right up on top. Oh, she's humping him. She's humping you, dude. Quit following me. Your sister is humping your butt, dude. Someone's establishing some dominance. That is funny. Iris is humping Ajax. Get him, mamas. You tell him who's the boss around here. Iris. What are you doing, mamas? Get brother? You gonna get him again, huh? Humposaurus Rex. Oh, we heard a noise. We better go check it out. Ajax is like, hey, Dad, I heard something. Ah, roar. Here we go again. All wound up. All wound up. Roar. What are we doing? Straight on her brother as soon as he's not paying attention. I know, dude. I know. Why are you biting my legs, Ajax, you hoser? Get off of me. Ow. You afraid to... Your sister's getting you. It's like a three-way. Greta'll put them in their place. Couple of scrappy dappies. Scrappy dappy dude. Little sister's kicking brother's butt. She's only about 30 pounds lighter than him. You tell him, mamas. You tell him. She's so much faster than him. She's going in for the hump. What is this? What do we got? A over under? Over under. Get him, Greta. Greta, get him. She's the old mama. She'll tell him what's up. Knock him down. If you guys mess with Greta too much, she's going to straighten you guys out. This is what Ajax likes to do. He likes to chew on my legs and my shoes. Get off me, hoser. Sister's gonna kick your butt. She's got that squirrely look in her eyes today. no, she's on it again. Humped by your sister. Come here, guys. Come here. I know you like that camera. Hey, Iris, that's enough. That's enough. Good boy, huh? Good boy. Got you on Dad's arms, huh? Good girl, mamas. Come here, buddy. Yes. Yes, I know. You're going to make everybody dizzy with your... Good boy. Iris. Mary Jacks. I know you like those cameras. Hey, hey, hey.